Have you ever wondered what happens when the sun literally flips its lid? Every 11 years, our star performs a magnetic magic trick, completely flipping its north and south poles. But during this chaotic process, NASA's Parker Solar Probe discovered something far stranger. Massive zigzag shapes in the solar wind called switchbacks. What are these bizarre magnetic switchbacks, and could they impact Earth? Imagine the sun's magnetic field as a giant invisible web of loops and arcs stretching out into space. Normally, the solar wind flows in relatively smooth, predictable streams. However, the Parker Solar Probe, flying closer to the sun than any human-made object ever, detected sudden sharp flips in the magnetic field. It is like driving down a straight highway and having the road suddenly fold backward on itself for a split second before straightening out. These are switchbacks, and they are enormous, some lasting for hours. For years, scientists debated their origin. One leading theory suggested they were created by plasma eruptions on the solar surface, basically the sun throwing magnetic temper tantrums. But recent data from the Parker Solar Probe points to a different culprit. It appears switchbacks originate from deep within the solar corona, the sun's scorching outer atmosphere. Scientists now believe they form when the solar wind struggles to break free from the sun's constantly shifting magnetic loops. As the magnetic field lines stretch and snap, they create these S-shaped bends that rocket outward. This discovery is deeply tied to the sun's magnetic flip. As the sun approaches solar maximum, its magnetic field becomes increasingly tangled and chaotic. This turbulence likely generates more switchbacks, acting as a release valve for pent-up magnetic energy. Understanding them is crucial because these magnetic kinks travel all the way to Earth, interacting with our own magnetic shield and potentially supercharging the auroras we see near the poles. If you could fly through one of these magnetic switchbacks near the sun, what do you think it would feel like? Comment your wild theories down below. The sun's magnetic flip is not just a polar reversal. It drives the bizarre switchbacks that reshape the solar wind, sending magnetic zigzags across space toward Earth. As we approach solar maximum, the universe is reminding us that our star is a restless, unpredictable beast. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.